Cisco packet tracer. I want to show how to set up a DHCP relay. So to do this, I'm going to click on the PT router. Okay, here we go. Now I want two 2960 switches. I want a server, and I'm going to use 4 laptops. Oh, sorry. Now we'll connect these together. Now I want to set the labels for our IP addresses. So the IP address of the server will be 192.168.0.2. This side of the network will have the IP address of 192.168.0.1. and this side of the network will have the IP address of 192.168.1.1. and now we will so now that that's done, the next thing I want to do now, I want to configure the IP address on the server. So that will have the IP address of 192.168, sorry, .0.2, subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway of 192.168.0.1. And now I want to go to services and DHCP, and I want to give this default gateway of 192.168.0.1, and the start IP address will be 192.168.0.3, and we go save and on. So now we can go to these 2 laptops here, go desktop IP configuration, and you can see that one has successfully got the IP address of 192.168.0.3, and we'll do the same with this laptop here. And that successfully got an IP address as well. So now we'll configure the ports here on the router. So for fast Ethernet 00, it will have the IP address of 192.168.0.1 and the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Make sure it's on. For fast Ethernet port 01, will have the IP address of 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask sorry, now just waiting for the program. Of 255.255.0, and that's on. So I want to go back here to my server, and I want to configure another DHCP address. So we'll call this server pool 1, and this will have a default gateway of 192.168.1.1 and a starting IP address of 192.168.1.2, and we go add and save. And now I just want to configure the router command line. So here I want to go interface, fast Ethernet, um, 1/0, and the IP helper address, so IP helper address, and I'll put in the IP address of the server, which is 192.168.0.2. And now we'll see if this machine can get an IP address. So we'll try this again. And you can see there, DHCP successful. And we'll go here to the other laptop and configure. I'll see if we get an IP address. It has. That's grand. So from this laptop here, we'll try and ping the server. So we'll just go ping 192.168.0.2. And you can see I was successfully able to ping the server. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you liked listening, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.